Here we can watch a big engineering job that took over 2 days to complete. It has been sped up so you can see the work progressing. The worker sizes and fits the wood to a precise fit, taking it back to the shop once. Then twice. Trying to get a perfect fit, the worker can be seen aligning it to his satisfaction. An eye for perfection, the worker stands up to admire his handiwork. With a few screws, a couple look-overs. He seems to approve of his work so far and gives what looks like a German salute. Hours of hard work. He looks it over carefully, not wanting to make any mistakes. One more time, and he will head back to the shop for some screws to do the final attachment. Tapping the boards for a tight fit, like the stones of the pyramids before attaching. Being careful not to split the wood. The worker placed the screws in the exact locations meant for screws of that type. The very next day, the work continues, with a secure of the third board that was fitted off camera, due to it being cut 3 times and each time coming up shorter than the other 2. Looks like 2 of those Elon Musk salutes. After securing the board into its proper place, 2 salutes are given as the worker stands up to get a better look at what he hopes will be the final placing of that board, then does another close-up inspection. After 2 days of hard work, the worker takes what he hopes is a final measurement. Bringing out the wood, the worker gets distracted by the van and forgets what he was doing, so he heads back to the shop. Perhaps another measurement will joggle his memory. The worker attempts to fit the final board after taking a couple different measurements. Then stands up and gives what looks like a Nazi salute to no one. Taking another look, it appears something isn't quite right. The worker decides to get a closer look. Then abruptly stands up and does that salute thing again before walking away. The sun's heat rays have gotten to our worker, and he wanders off hammer in hand like Joe Biden. Something just doesn't feel right. The worker decides to take a closer look. He decides to pull on the end pieces to make sure they are tight. Carefully checking both ends. He was right. Something is wrong. The lower board fell right off, as if it wasn't attached at all. The worker contemplates his next move. Looks like more engineering is needed. Perhaps standing up and doing the hokey-pokey, turn yourself around, and another salute will help the worker. The worker pulls all his skills together, thinking and thinking. Could be the moisture in the wood that made it fall off. No, that's not it. Maybe the heat of the day. After all, it's high noon, and the temp is approaching 90. That's probably not it either. Positioning the board back in place. He takes a closer look and comes to an amazing conclusion that the board didn't have any holes in it. Could it be that simple, that he had forgotten to put the screws in it? Apparently so. A few drill holes and final markings should do the trick. Nothing left to do but attach the board. But wait, it seems like the worker has misplaced a tool or possibly a screw. Looking everywhere, the shop, the ground, the porch itself. The worker was hoping to wrap this job up in a few hours after 2 long hot days in the blistering sun. Losing one of the 2 screws purchased this morning could be devastating. Smelling some liquid on the driveway, the worker confirms it is not dog piss. The worker is done for the day. He decides to get a final look at his work and to plan the next day's work schedule accordingly.